Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh! Attack from Adam delivery. You got to be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my God! Roman Reigns. Oh, KO by Orton. Miss John Cena. Great move.
Doing. I can see one flaw in Carlitos.
Who's fading away. Brock Lesnar is fading away. Sunday, every man for themselves. Oh, KO! Goodness! And his name is John Cena. You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, claw attack from out of nowhere. Cena delivering. On the move.
Going to put the finishing touches on this match.